cultural change, and Buddhist amulet culture. In 2023, he had the experience in museology as an apprentice at the Linen Museum in Stuttgart, Germany for 6 months. And his field research is to study the development of local craft schools within the socio-economic context of Phetchaburi, particularly during the first half of the 20th century. So please welcome up Dr. Chananakam.
Thank you very much. I'm happy to be here. This topic for today is for my a reflection for my field study. I'm studying about the development of the craftsmanship in Phetchaburi. Phetchaburi is in the near Bangkok, 3 hours from here. In Phetchaburi, we have a lot of monastery, especially in the Ayutthaya period. In the Ayutthaya period in Phetchaburi, we have mural paintings with the a good condition. I think the best condition for in Thailand. But during the first half of 20th century, we have a development of the craftsmanship in the local Phetchaburi, local community, the craftsmen in the monastery, like a 5 temples. They have a lot of workshops. They have a lot of create, wooden carving, stucco or drawing, a lot in this period. So I saw a lot of banners and frame Buddhist painting as a local Buddhist tradition, especially Vesantara teaching in important Buddha days. In the sermon of monastery, they have a teaching canopy with the frame Buddha painting decorated in the sermon too for teaching by the monks. And for today, I will explore and review about the storage, conditions, and issue of the critical about is painting. Okay. The first one is by the Buddhist paintings. In the left side of the picture is the only one in Phetchaburi that have the original setting of the banner. You will see in the back of the Buddha. The only one in Phetchaburi that have the original one, original setting. I took a picture, this picture. 2017, but in the last month, I took a picture. You will see that the banner is nearly fragile. I think in the future we will missing or disappear. I asked the airport what to do about it. The airport don't know how to do, so keep like this. And the next example is. You will see the frame Buddha painting around the sermon. In the center is the teaching canopy for a local Buddhist tradition. They're still doing this for today. In Phetchaburi, we have a lot of teaching canopy like this, and for some monastery in the central of Phetchaburi, we have the frame Buddha painting too. But you will see in the right one, or the frame Buddha painting too, and for this one, this is the oldest one that I found in this early 20th century of Phetchaburi craftsmanship. It was rolled. It was rolled and kept in the room with the front from water pouring from the rain. So you will see very fragile. Yeah. I went there with Professor Sumachai Musuban and Dr. Georg Nowak of Linen Museum Stuttgart to see this painting. And then, okay, in the left one is from Wat Kuntra. The last one is from Wat Yai Suvarnarama. This one is from Wat Putra in Phetchaburi province. You will see that the former time, this painting like this in the sermon, but today no, they keep in the room like that one, and when the water bring down from the rain, so very critical now. And the light one, at the Wat Pak Khong, Peter Skilling do this in Wat Pak Khong. They formed the sermon, but today they went to like a monk room to keep the painting. So you will see that the dysfunction of the painting in the former time. The former time is still in the sermon for Buddhist teaching, but today no, they just keep in the room or place this in the room of monk like that. So I have to want a question about this situation about banners and framed Buddha painting in my profit. And I think in Thailand we have the same problem like this. What to do about this? How to preserve and prevention from natural things, from humanity or anything. Just want to review and get the question for the method for protection in the future. Thank you very much.